Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Theo and today I want to talk about NFTs.
We want her to reshuffle a hand that the destiny has already dealt us.
Yes, I've been avoiding this topic for many months now. I wanted to make a video since January, but that would have been a very different video back then. And let's talk about NFTs. First of all, what is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token, and I bet you're pretty bored with this explanation, which is it's true, because every video that ever made and every article that ever written for this topic starts with this exact phrase. NFTs stands for non-fungible tokens. Yes, I know, but what is really an NFT? An NFT is a certificate for authenticity. For example, if you own something, if you have this phone, for example, you can make a certificate, you can pay for a certificate that states that this exact phone, is mine. It's authentic and it's mine. I own it. The problem is that just as this phone is not made by me and I just own a copy of it, it's just an iPhone 8 Plus. It's not the first iPhone 8 Plus. It's a copy of the iPhone 8 Plus. And this is where the problem starts. As you have seen, many people have made their own NFTs. I made my own NFTs. You can find them in the description below. A few months ago, people and a 3D artist who made a name for himself because he made a picture of a 3D picture, a 3D art every day for the last 10 years or so, and he uploaded them on Instagram. He auctioned his whole collection basically in one picture. He made everything, 5,000 I think art pieces in one, and he auctioned that as an NFT, and it sold for 69 million, I think, something like that. And after that, everyone went crazy. You saw many marketplaces that popped up and sold NFTs for thousands and millions, and you saw procedural generated art sold as NFT. And personally, I really wanted to succeed, because it was a decentralized effort. It was something that wasn't controlled by someone, and it was a very nice way to monetize your digital art. But unfortunately, it didn't continue that way. After a few weeks or months, many videos on YouTube started popping out, like how to make your own NFT easy and fast. And this is where it gets disgusting. Basically, most of the videos said that you can go on Canva, you can just put an image and another image in front of it and sell it as an NFT and make millions. No, it doesn't work like that. Actually, maybe it could work like that if you have millionaire friends and wanted them to give you money for free. But for the general people, it doesn't work like that. Many artists tried to sell their own art through NFTs, and they didn't go anywhere because algorithm generated pictures like this ape or this million apes were basically everywhere, were in the first page of every marketplace, and after a little while everything was filled with junk. So you couldn't sell anything art related because computers took over, and people with that didn't want to put on the effort and listen to get rich quick schemes on YouTube wanted to make a quick buck out of this technology. So yeah, it died. It basically died. If you log in to any NFT groups, NFT buy and sell groups on Facebook, if you go to any marketplace and see what it's sold and what it's not, it's very depressing. And you can see I'm very salty for this, because I really wanted to succeed. Like I said, it was a very nice decentralized effort to create something for the general populace, that it's not a multi-million organization that has to make a certificate of authenticity for a painting, for example. It's not Christie's. It's something you can do on your own house. And let me show you how you can do it. Okay, first of all, let's open this. Okay, first of all, you go here, you open Rarible, and you log in with your MetaMask account. MetaMask is a wallet, basically. And yeah, you can see this is the first page. Pretty okay. As you can see, this is a computer generated one, this is a computer generated one, like this. This also. Yeah, you have some very nice 3D models, and this is very nice actually. Some animations, but in order to create your own NFT, you go here, you go create, you choose the blockchain you want to mint it. Minting an NFT is the procedure that I'm showing you now. It's called minting. We're gonna choose single. You choose the picture you want to mint. Okay, this one. And how much you want to sell it. I want to sell it for 0.1 Ether. You choose a collection. Free minting. Free minting means that you don't have to pay the gas prices, which are about 100 euros per each picture or MP3 or anything. And if you sell it, the owner has to mint it basically and pay the gas prices. It's a very nice feature that they implemented recently, and it helps people that don't have any money and want to sell something. So you choose a name, let's call it Valley, and you choose a description and the royalties. Now, if the person that buys the NFT from you wants to resell it, they have to pay you this amount of money. And this can be maximum of 50, like they say here, but 10% is usually a good one. And yeah, create item. You have to sign the contract. You have to put it on the sale. You have to sign again with your own wallet. And this is minted now. It's an NFT. It's uploaded. You can download it if you want, you can buy it. 0.1 Ether right now is 288 euros. Nice. So, if you want to buy it, the link is in the description. But, yeah, that's it. The thing is, if you buy it, you will buy the NFT I just created. You won't have any royalties on the picture that I made. You cannot... if I recreate this, if I copy and paste the same picture that I have on my computer and mint the other picture will be a different picture, will be a different NFT from this one. So I can basically from one picture make millions of NFTs, and every single one will be legit. So this is the big problem with NFTs. They say that it's a certificate of authenticity of a project of art, but it's not. It's a certificate of authenticity of one thing, of one copy of the project. It basically reduces its own value, and by creating false scarcity, like I told you, there are many other marketplaces like this one, which is it's called Mintable, and let's see, Crypto Shark. Nice. It's a shark with a cryptocurrency logo in its mouth, and you have many of them. Okay, as you can see, no, my favorite, the apes. Now, because it's a very big buzzword, and everybody is freaking out about NFTs, Many big companies want to monetize it and want to make money out of it, and for example, Ubisoft created an NFT in-game thing, I think, which is disgusting. Actually, it's the old guy that wanna sound cool and want to be hyped, and basically they just want to make money. My biggest problem though with NFTs is that you don't have to own something in order to create an NFT out of it, and this is actually the most disgusting thing about NFTs, because you can always download a picture from you can download the Starry Night of Van Gogh. You have the picture and you can mint it, like I showed you, and this will be yours. This will be actually yours, because the picture is yours. The painting is not, but we don't care about that. It's something else different, completely different. You don't own the painting, you haven't seen the painting, you just own the picture of the painting, which is okay. This example is too extreme. Imagine that you are a digital artist and you create a digital painting, and someone goes and downloads the digital painting and mints it. They own the picture. They don't own the original painting, but they own the picture. And if they sell this picture, they sell your own work and gain all their money, and it's legal. So that's NFT pretty much. And yeah, I don't have any hope for this technology in the future, but you will continue to see people saying it is the most important thing ever. And yeah, I hope you liked this video, because I didn't, and it wasn't fun to make. So if you wanna have a print of this of my NFTs, because yeah, you can touch a print, you can hang it in your own room. If you want to print, just go to the description and see my shop, my store, and yeah, you can order any one of these 3 pictures, and I will mail it to your address. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Oh, also, don't forget to subscribe, because I really want to go to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. Bye.